Student and welcome to your online classes. Today video is about the writing notice. So first of all we see what is the writing notice. So I will tell you a notice is a short composition written in a formal style to convey some information to the people who could be interested in it. In a school, a notice is meant to inform the student and the staff about the event or activity that is likely to take place in near future. It could be about the culture event like a play, dance, performance, yeah, or any concert like that. So this is exhibition, anything, okay, like sport event and lost and found articles, okay. Suppose your any book is missing, a lost, so you write the notice and say, I like you have forgot, yeah, missing your book, whatever. Be anybody if you got the book, yeah, your watch, so you write the notice, I was there, so maybe I left there, or maybe you got anyone got any my watch or book, so you write the notice and submit it the office, your principal, like that one. So a good such notice are put up on the school notice board by the school authorities. Some notice can be put by the student as well like the lost and found a notice. A good notice is always the point and leaves no scope for further inquiries. So in this video we will see the writing notice, and it is very helpful to you in future also. So we will start our video. So we see the writing notice. So first of all, see what is a writing notice. A notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. A notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. Some things are there which is you keep in mind. An effective notice will usually include the following, like name of the organization, institute or office, the word notice, date of issues the notice. It should only have relevant information. It should be brief to the point but give complete details of information. Read WS should be answered in it. These WS are the what, when, who, and where. These notice may have formal, semi-formal, or informal style of writing. It should have signature, name, and destination of the person issuing the notice. The entire content to the notice is placed in a box. The entire content to the notice is placed in the box. So layout of a notice, like date, subject of heading of the notice, body, contents of the notice, name of the writer, destination of the writer. So I give you some example of notice, like you are Jenny Martin, the monitor of your class. Your school is organizing a trip to Missouri. So writing a notice in 50 words for your class notice board, inviting your classmate to join the picnic. So this is the example, like St. Mary Convent Senior School, write your name, which date, 20 November 2000, which date, any date you can mention it. School trip to Missouri. A school trip has been arranged for all the sections of class 6th. The student 6th or 7th, any class you can take. The student interested to join the trip are advised to meet Mrs. Pushpa Ma'am, librarian, in the library during the essays. The trip is scheduled from 10 December 2020 to 18 December 2020 to Missouri. Okay, the total cost borne by each student will be 2500 only, which is navigate or train, okay, fare, food and beverages, hotel stay and transport expenses. All entire entries should reach by 13 November 2020 along with the fee. All interested students need to submit signed approval of a number, objection from their parents or guardians. Other details and the trip itinerary will be issued by the teachers in charge. So Jenny Martin, monitor of 6th A or 7th A, is 7th B or 8th B. Okay, so this is the example of this notice. So this is the format of notice writing. Okay, you can see here. This is the inform all the student of class 6th 7th that our school is going to organize this and this with topic, time, place. This one you filled it and write your name, your destination, whatever these are. I hope you understand this. You can see the examples. You are the Rahul, head boy of ABC school. Any school name you write it, your school name. Is organization a singing competition for 6th and 7th, writing a notice for your school notice board and write the names of the interested students. So this is the second example. So this is the singing competition example. This is the inform all the students of classes 6th and 7th, 8th, whatever the classes they are, that our school is going to organize a singing competition on 3rd December, 5th December. This is this. You can see here this is the notice and the end of that. Okay, your name, you are the head boy, the school name. I hope you understood. This is a second example. So any notice you got it, like in a monitor, your teacher said this is any competition like drawing competition or craft competition. So you write, make a notice like that, and all the information and where you submit the things or money. If a trip is going on anywhere, then you give this format. So I hope this format will helpful to you and you make a nice notice. So some exercises given in your book, so you see the book and write the notice. Any two notice you write from your book only. Okay, so I hope you understand this writing notice. So do practice at home and write in your copy also. So take care. Thank you.